Winter shelter for the beasts. There once was a mean and lazy farmer. He had an ox, a strong and hard-working animal who did all the heavy work. Yet for all that, the ox was kept in a cold shed and given poor food. One day the ox thought,
"I've had enough of this. I'll leave this place and wander the world. It can't get any worse." And so the ox left the farm. He walked and walked until he met a ram trotting toward him. "Where are you off to, Ram?" "I'm running from the freezing winter, looking for the sweet days of summer. Come with me, it'll be more fun together." They continued together, side by side. Not long after, they saw a pig, waddling and snorting. "Where are you heading, Floppy Ears?" "Running from the freezing winter, looking for the sweet summer." "Then come along with us, the more the merrier." And so the three walked on, until they met a muttering goose, wobbling from side to side. "Where are you going, Goose?" "I'm fleeing the bitter cold, searching for sunny summer days." "Well, join us. It'll be more fun in company." Then the four came across a proud little rooster, strutting with his red comb held high, singing, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" "Where are you off to, Rooster?" "Running from the bitter cold, searching for the golden summer." "Come with us, the more friends, the better." And so the ox, the ram, the pig, the goose, and the rooster all traveled together. As evening fell, the frost began to bite. "Friends, we should find shelter," the ox said. "I don't need a house. I've got a warm wool coat," said the ram. "I'm not afraid of the cold," said the pig. "I'll dig myself into the ground." "Our feathers will keep us warm," said the goose and the rooster. So the ox had to go search alone. He wandered the forest until he found a little hut tucked in the trees, and beside it a stack of hay. The ox settled in, warm and cozy, humming to himself in the snug shelter. At dawn, there came a knock on the door. "Let me in, brother. I'm freezing." "But you said your wool coat would keep you warm." "I don't think so." "If you don't let me in, I'll smash a log out of your wall with my horns. Then we'll both freeze." The ox thought it over and let the ram in. Later, the pig arrived. "Let me warm up, friend." "No," said the ox. "You said you'd dig a hole." "If you don't open up, I'll dig out all the posts under your house with my snout. It won't stand." Not wanting his shelter ruined, the ox let the pig in too. Soon after, the goose and the rooster arrived, cold and worn out. "Let us in, brother." "No way. Didn't you say your feathers would keep you warm?" "If you don't let me in, I'll pluck every bit of moss from the walls," said the goose. "And I'll scratch all the ceiling straw down from the attic. You won't survive the night in here," added the rooster. Resigned but warm. What could the ox do? He let them in. And so the five animals lived together, warm and safe. One day, a hungry fox passing by heard the rooster singing. She licked her lips, imagining a tasty rooster dinner. But how to get inside? She decided to trick some friends. She ran off to the bear and the wolf. "I found a feast for all of us," she said. "A fat ox for you, bear, a tasty ram for you, wolf, and a plump rooster for me."
perfect, Cousin Fox," they said. "We won't forget this. This will be a feast to remember." So off they went to the hut. "Go on ahead," said the bear. "No, you're stronger," said the wolf. "You go first." "Fine," the bear agreed. Inside, the ox looked out the window and saw the predators approaching. The ram got scared, the pig got scared, the goose and the rooster got scared too. But the ox said, "Don't be afraid, friends. We've got it good here. Food, warmth, and, most of all, Truman, friendship. We help one another. We watch each other's backs, and now we stand together and fight." "Let's do it," everyone shouted. Just as the bear stepped up to the door, the ox pinned the bear to the wall with his horns. The ram headbutted him again and again. The pig slashed and jabbed with her tusks. The goose pecked with his strong beak, joining in. The rooster flew to the top of the door and shouted, "Cock-a-doodle-doom!" The wolf thought he heard, "I'll cut you down." Panicked, he turned and ran, and the fox? She had already fled. The bear barely escaped. He ran and ran, finally caught up with the wolf and gasped, "You won't believe what I just went through. I've never been so terrified in all my life. I barely stepped into the hut when, out of nowhere, a crazy old woman with a giant oven fork pinned me right to the wall. Then a whole angry crowd came rushing in. Some hit me, some tore at my fur, and worst of all, there was one yelling from the rafters, 'Bring him up here! Bring him up here!' If they had handed me over to that one, I swear I wouldn't have made it out alive." From that day on, they never dared come near the little hut again. And the 5 friends, the ox, the ram, the pig, the goose, and the rooster, lived happily ever after in their cozy forest home.